Hi, so I'm gonna walk you through the process of making a TikTok from beginning to end. So my colleagues are already in position. We open a TikTok app, select the video of choice, click on the sound, use the sound, and we go.
No, we ain't giving no hold. I ain't Romeo and now hold. Making a party, chocolate Barbie, waiting on me for yo.
Hope it's good. Now we're gonna edit the video that we just made. First, we want to add some text. When you think you... Okay, and we close it down. Let's say we want it in different times of the video. Click on the text, length, and clip it to whenever you want it. Let's say here. And it should work. Now we have effects. We choose whatever effect we like. Let's say this zooming, and you hold it for whatever length you like. Stickers. Let's put this one on the bottom. So, video is ready. Now we're going to the final details. We first add some text, as for example, we are having too much fun with this trend. We can add hashtags, tags, and other videos. Hashtags, for example, this one right here. At Anna, for example. Then what else we can do? We can decide who can see the video. So we have friends or only me, everyone. We will keep it with friends. You can add comments to it. You can duet, so someone else can do a video next to this one. Or we can stitch it, so it will be longer, so this video and then a video after it. Then we can decide if we want to publish it on Facebook, WhatsApp, share it. Then this button right here, we click it and we're live.